Okay, now this 3 machine is for the common oil seed pressing, like soybean, sunflower, peanut, rapeseed, sesame, and coconut copper. All can be processed by this machine. After pressing, you will get the crude oil and the cake. Also, the oil residue rate in the cake is around 7%. And this machine is very easy to operate and maintain. For the capacity, we have 1 ton to 11 tons per day based on 24 hours running. We can recommend to you the suitable machine according to your requirements.